Hey, it's Rob Keating here and welcome to my video about affiliate marketing for beginners. In a moment I'm going to explain to you how affiliate marketing works and talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing. An affiliate marketer is someone who introduces others to products and services. So basically you're a commission-only salesman. So you're going to find something that you're interested in promoting to others. It could be, say, a software product. You find a way to get people to look at your offer. You explain to them what the opportunity is or what the offer is, and then you send them off to a sales page using your special affiliate link. And then if you make a sale, you receive a commission. To get started, you need to decide a platform that you'll be using. You need to choose a niche, depends how you say it. So that's basically the topic or the area, subject matter that you'll be promoting. Could be like tennis rackets, or it could be a digital product like a course about how to do marketing, for instance. Or it could be a software product, or it could even be physical products like lingerie, clothing, all sorts of things. There's millions of opportunities out there. So to actually do this, you need to find programs to join that can actually allow you to offer these products and services. So there's quite a lot of options out there. Once you've done that, you need to drive traffic to your offer and get clicks on your affiliate link. So you get a click on your link and it takes you normally to a sales page or an order page if it's a physical product. So drive traffic using that link and then convert clicks into sales. So quite often you'll do a pre-sale. You'll have a page with some information about something, and perhaps someone's done a search, they landed on your page, and you do a bit of a pre-sell. And then you take that person from your page actually to the sales page for that product, and hopefully you've selected something where it's a good sales page that converts well, and then that product owner will do the job of closing the sale for you. So the thing with affiliate marketing is you don't need the products, you don't have to worry about inventory or dealing with the customers or clients. You just get the traffic using your link and get them to the sales page or order page. So that's basically that about an introduction to affiliate marketing. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, it'd be great if you give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and also click on the bell when I release a new video. You'll get notified about that being released. And as I said before, give a thumbs up if you found the video useful. So that was my affiliate marketing for beginners video. In the next video, I'm going to show you some of the top affiliate marketing companies that you can partner up with. So watch for that. As I said, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. See ya.